it is way too early. I think it's like 5:30 or something. I'm travelling from Patong in Phuket to the island of Koh Samui by a coach and a ferry, I believe, which is going to take me about 6 hours. So I better get out of bed and get going. But I don't want to leave this bed. Here we go. Okay, the final room check. Always got to have one last sweep. Nothing in the cupboard. Yeah, we look good. Do you think I've got enough stuff? See you. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
Sorry, my battery had problem.
No, that's okay.
I checked the phone.
I was looking for a yellow car, you see?
You're booking already, right?
Yeah, already booked, yeah.
If no have booking, have problem.
Yeah, big problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I booked yesterday. Thank you. Cheers.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah, thank you.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Take care. Thank you. See you. Hello. Thank you.
This bus ticket for diver. Bus of platform number 2.
Platform number 2.
Yeah, platform number 2. And the sticker ferry boat. This ferry you to end up here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Got my ticket. Platform number 2. I don't really understand the exact ins and outs of what's happening here. I think I'll get like a van or a coach to the ferry port and then the ferry, and then I don't know if I've got a connection on the other side from it's mad really when you think about it. I've got a handwritten ticket and there's a few of them that she had in the pile, so she's handwritten all of these. And also the other proof that I've got of travelling is my sticker that I've got to make sure that I don't lose. Hello. Do you have a Coke Zero at all?
How many do you want?
Just one, please.
72 baht. You have coin 2 baht.
Don't worry about the change.
Yes.
Thank you. This is the breakfast of champions. Some Cheetos, some biscuit things. I think all I've done on this trip so far is eat crisps. One of the best places in the world for food, and I'm munching on Cheetos. Problem is, I don't want to risk anything like sitting in the little stalls. Not this morning anyway, because I don't know if the bus is going to have any toilets, and I'm not getting caught short if I eat something rotten. That's not fair on anyone on the bus. It's not called Phuket for no reason. Here we are. No idea how long this bus journey is going to be. It's hot out here. We've stopped off for a toilet break, which is good because I am busted. There's no toilet on the coach. I'm wearing a hoodie because the air conditioning vent above me is completely broken and there's no way of turning the aircon off. It's just pumping cold air out onto me and the bloke next to me. Anyway, we've got time for 20 minutes to get something to eat and relieve ourselves. Well, that was probably the most interesting toilet that I've ever used so far. Up till now in Thailand, most of them have been like the normal sort of Western toilets, but yeah. It's nice to finally get off that coach. It's about 5 hours that I did not need. But anyway, just about to board the ferry. after about 5 hours in that bus, which was actually a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, and quite uncomfortable with that freezing cold aircon that I couldn't turn off, I'm finally on the ferry. I've got a feeling that the crossing from the ferry port here to Koh Samui is not going to be anywhere near as long as the bus journey. But nothing on the ticket actually tells you really step by step how long everything is going to take. It just tells you A to B, and it's going to take you 6.5 hours, but it's a bit longer than that in total, so you've got to give yourself a little bit of leeway. And it looks like we're off. Setting sail to Koh Samui. Let's have a look downstairs. Hopefully we get to shore before the rain catches us up. Because it's catching us up in a minute, and we might end up getting soaked before we get to land. Fingers crossed. Definitely caught us up. Luckily, just enough sheltered, but everyone else is gone. I ain't going nowhere. I'm the only one left on the front of the boat. Woohoo! The only problem is now it's absolutely pissing it down, is once we get off the boat, we've got to go, I think we've got to walk all the way along here, up this pier, to the building at the end. We are going to get soaked, but life is good, even if it is pissing down with rain. Come on! Okay, even I will know when it's time to go. This is where I go flying on the wet stairs, and it'll only be my own fault. Shit. Thought everyone had left me then. Thought I was going to end up going back to Phuket. That would be my luck. I'm traveling for 6 months,
Oh.
but I'm going to be in Koh Samui for about a week. Awesome, thank you.
ไอทีวสองไอทีไปเช็ค Wi-Fi ห้อง5305หน่อยครับวสองไอทีเช็ค Wi-Fi หน่อยครับเสร็จเล่นไม่ได้ครับ
And that is that. I'm all checked into my room now. Long journey today, up at about 5:30, something like that, and then finally arrived here at about 5 o'clock in the evening. Quite a long bus journey, and then not so long on the ferry. I think that was about an hour and a half, something like that. That was actually pretty good fun on there. This is my room. This is what I've checked into. Lovely big bed, which may or might not have had a little lie down in there already. Desk, all the bits and pieces on there. Decent TV. Lots of room for activities in this area. That'd be good for some break dancing later. And then here we've got a sink, a toilet, and a shower. All looks pretty decent. Yeah, the best thing about the travelling today, as I said, it was fairly long-winded, but it actually cost me 14 quid. For the bus and the ferry, 14 quid. If you're in the UK, £14 isn't getting you anywhere. That's the good thing about Thailand that I found so far. It's good value for money. The only thing you've got to do is make sure that you read a little bit about the tickets that you've got, because it doesn't always make it clear with where your transfers are and stuff like that. But you can't complain for that money. That's it. I'm knackered. I'm going to get some food. I'm going to grab a beer, and I will see you next time. Cheerio.